Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville BES920xl. This machine was brought in because it was tripping the GFCI, and what we had discovered common in this machine right here, boiler gaskets, and they had just worn out. Something about the heat just really shrinks these gaskets out, and then they start leaking. So we replaced all of them as a set because, I mean, if some are going to go, the rest are probably not too far behind. So now that it's no longer leaking and water isn't causing other electronic parts to short, the machine is functioning as it should. So let's test it. Doo-doo. Beautiful. Needed to have set that timer for longer. The brew time wasn't set long enough. All right, looking good. Now let's see the steam. And hot water. There you have it, Breville functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.